What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people doing? I'll tell you what we're going to do here. We are going to do a little side-by-side comparison on this M18 inflator and this M12 inflator. Both of these have a fully charged battery. See there? Fully charged. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to use my wife's car out there. We'll deflate 2 tires and we'll try to start these things up at as close to the same time as we can, and we'll see which one gets there first. We'll go from 0 psi all the way up to 30, say 32. Or I'll read the sidewall and we'll see what it says. Anyhow, let me get set up out here and we'll see how it goes. Alrighty, I have removed the core from both of these, one rear and front. M12 is going to be in the back, M18 will be in the front. I'll get a reading on the tires on the other side, make sure it ends up to the same. Sidewall says, wow, oh right here, 51 max. So I'll read the other side and we'll see what we got. Alright, I just checked the pressure of the other side and it is at 45. So we will air these up to 45. Put that bad boy back. Put this one in real quick. I like both of these. They also obviously both have their own little purpose. The M12 being a lot smaller, more compact, and M18 just being a brute hoss. I mean, it's a beast. Now these don't come with these ends on them. I bought them off Amazon and screwed them on. It's just a lot faster. You just clip it on like that. You don't have to screw it on. We'll clip this one on. Okay. Now with the M12, when you fire it up, you have to select the pressure. If you just push it, it goes in, starts at 5 and goes up 1 psi at a time. If you hold it down, it'll run up in 5s. So we're going to 45. And with this one, we'll talk more about the features afterwards, but let's run this up to 45. Right there. Now one's going to be a little bit ahead of the other, so I'll give the M12 the advantage. All right, it's going to be a little rowdy. Here we go. As you can see, they're both fairly loud, but the M12 is definitely louder. 34 seconds is where we ended on that one. Obviously the time didn't start at 0, but we can go back and check. And what it's doing is it's pushing air, and then it'll check itself. So you see this little target symbol pop up. When it's flashing, it's not there yet. It's checking. And then when it stays solid lit like that, it's there. Go ahead and pull that off. And it builds up some heat in the hose. Not bad. This has got a cooling fan inside. You're not supposed to run this one more than 20 minutes at a time without letting it cool off. The M12, I believe you can run for 10 minutes, and then you're supposed to let it cool off. We've got 10 pounds to go on this one. See how much battery it used. Still showing full. And you can see it went down 1 bar on the battery. Okay, so it's about 7:22. So 3 minutes, roughly 3 minutes longer for the M12 to get there over the M18. All right, let me get this stuff picked up and we'll do a little bench top. I guess it'd be a really good idea to see how accurate they are. So you guys saw they both shut off at 45 psi, and that's sitting at 44. So with removing the hose and stuff like that, pretty dadgum close if you ask me. That was the M18. This is the M12. This car has not been driven today, so that one's set at 43.5. So they're pretty close. Close enough. All right, so we'll do some bench top next. Okay, you guys saw the performance of it. Temperature wise, I would say they're both comparable with as far as the heat goes. They both have the nice rubber feet you saw. They didn't jump around, vibrate, and move. I would say the feet on the M18 are quite a bit more substantial, but that doesn't discount the feet we've got here. It's a smaller unit. Currently, no, I'm not running genuine Milwaukee batteries. These are Whately's. They are a good battery. It's just what I had out. I've got Milwaukee batteries. I just didn't have them in. With the M18, what you get is memory. You can set memory 1, memory 2, memory 3, and memory 4, depending on what you're inflating. Or you can just do it like that. You can also go, say, to memory 1 if you're trying to get to 35, and then just add a few digits, just like that. You can switch from units. Gotta hold it down. KPA, bar, and PSI. On this one, you can do the same. I'm not real sure how. Hold the power button, see if that does it. Nope. Let's do this. Nope. Anyways, I don't know. I'd have to read. I don't know why it's reading 1.5 pounds, but it is. The manual tells you, and I know how to do it. Well, I don't know, obviously, I don't remember, but ooh, I don't know what that was. Don't know. Anyways, I can read and find out. It's in the book. But they're both good. They have their place. Compact. Take it in a quad. Take it somewhere. It doesn't take up as much room. Quiet. I mean, it's not quiet, but battery life obviously not near as good. This one still shows full. This one lost a bar. Throw it in the truck. If you got truck tires, car tires, certainly wouldn't go with this one. I would definitely choose the M18 version. M12, I use it for lawnmowers and four-wheelers and bicycles and basketballs, footballs, just lighter, smaller applications, whereas this one here, you can do a truck tire, you can do a semi-tire, and it goes up to 150 PSI. I believe the M12 version is just 120. I might be lying to you there, but I'm pretty certain it's 120. So 150 versus 120. This one gets there faster and goes higher. This one's got a cooling fan. 20 minutes of run time. And I think this one's 10 minutes of run time. You can see though, it took, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes total. Just over 5 minutes to inflate that tire from 0 to 45. So you can do a whole car with this one from flat to 45 versus this one here. You would probably have to stop after a couple and let it cool off. That's about all I got, fellas. Like and subscribe and let me know what you think.